Ready to see what the future of home living looks like? These ingenious inventions are packed with smart ideas to make life easier, tidier, and a whole lot more fun. From space-saving solutions to clever everyday upgrades, your home in 2025 is about to feel next level. All the products are linked in the description below. This table isn't just for holding your coffee, it's a smart upgrade for your whole room. Built-in wireless charging keeps your phone powered without messy cords. Dual speakers fill the space with music, podcasts, or even bedtime lullabies. You can switch between 16 colors of ambient lighting to set the perfect mood. Sleek, modern, and multifunctional, it's furniture and tech rolled into one. Your garage deserves more than a plain roll-up. These bifold doors fold neatly to the sides, saving space while adding a custom, high-end look. You choose the wood, glass, and finishes, turning it into a design that fits your home perfectly. Strong hinges and smooth folding make opening and closing effortless. It's a statement piece that boosts curb appeal and makes your home stand out from the rest. Why settle for one view when you can have two at once? This smart security camera gives you dual lenses, one that pans and tilts to track movement, and another that keeps a steady eye on what matters most. You get crisp 2K video, clear even at night thanks to color night vision. Built-in spotlights and a loud siren add extra protection. Indoors or outdoors, it covers every corner with ease. Digging through messy cabinets is no fun. This pull-out organizer brings everything to you with smooth, soft, close slides. Two sturdy tiers give you plenty of room for pots, pans, spices, or cleaning supplies. The shelf liner keeps items from slipping, while the heavy-duty stainless steel frame handles serious weight. Easy to install and built to last, it makes your kitchen or pantry feel instantly more organized. Messy hands? No problem. This touchless paper towel dispenser senses your hand and feeds out a sheet automatically, perfect when you're cooking or cleaning. It even retracts unused sheets so they stay clean and dry. You can plug it in or run it on batteries, giving you flexibility anywhere. Loading a new roll is quick and easy, and it works with most standard paper towels you already use at home. Hot days or chilly nights won't bother you anymore. This portable air conditioner doubles as a heater, cooling a space fast or warming it up in minutes. You can run it wire-free for up to 8 hours, perfect for camping, RV trips, or van life. Control everything from an app: temperature, timer, even sleep mode. Quiet, compact, and easy to carry. It keeps your adventures comfortable anywhere you go. Scrubbing toilets by hand? That's old school. This electric toilet brush spins at high speed to tackle stains way faster than a regular brush. The soft silicone head bends into corners without scratching, while the ventilated holder keeps it dry and odor-free. It's rechargeable, so no batteries to swap. Even better, the base has a built-in cleaning light for extra freshness every time you dock it. Imagine a lawn that takes care of itself. This smart mower roams your yard on its own, trimming up to 3/4 of an acre with precision. Its vision system and path planning keep it on track, while dual floating blades adjust to uneven ground for an even cut. Rain in the forecast? It heads back to recharge all by itself. Quiet, efficient, and fully app-controlled. It's like having a gardener on autopilot. Your ceiling just became a canvas for light. This uplighter floor lamp projects flowing ripple effects that make any room feel alive. You can switch between cozy, warm tones, crisp, cool whites, or vibrant color scenes for movie nights and parties. The head swivels to cover walls and ceilings, creating an immersive glow up to 215 square feet. Control it by app, voice, or let it sync with music for a full-on light show. Midnight wake-ups just got a little easier. This smart bassinet listens for your baby's cries and automatically soothes them with gentle rocking, calming vibrations, and soft sounds. The 360-degree swivel base keeps your baby close for late-night feedings, while the lowering wall makes it easy to reach in, especially helpful during postpartum recovery. Breathable mesh sides keep things safe and airy. You can even fine-tune everything right from an app. Keys are old news. Your hand is the key now. This smart lock scans the unique pattern of veins in your palm, unlocking instantly without touching a thing. You can control it from your phone, get alerts when someone comes in, and even hand out temporary codes for guests. A built-in doorbell and voice assistant support make it extra convenient. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts for months before needing a top-up. Summer nights are better without the buzz. This rechargeable repeller creates a 20-foot protection zone that keeps mosquitoes away without sprays, scents, or smoke. Just press a button, and within 15 minutes, you've got a shield that lasts for hours. No sticky lotions, no open flames, and it's safe around people and pets. Perfect for patios, camping trips, or backyard dinners where bugs usually crash the party. Corners don't have to be wasted space anymore. This rotating shower caddy spins 360 degrees so you can grab your shampoo, soap, or razor without juggling bottles. It fits neatly into both sharp and rounded corners, making it super versatile. Drainage holes keep everything dry, while sturdy hooks hold loofahs or brushes. And the best part? No drilling, just stick it on and it's ready to use. Outlets don't just have to power your stuff, they can hold it too. This clever wall-mounted shelf replaces a standard outlet cover and instantly gives you a perch for gadgets. Phones, speakers, toothbrushes, razors. It supports them all up to 7 pounds. Built-in cord storage hides messy wires, keeping everything neat and safe from spills. Quick to install and simple to flip upside down. It's a tiny upgrade with big convenience. Your backyard comes alive when these solar Firefly Lights start to sway. Each bulb bounces gently in the wind, mimicking fireflies dancing in the dark. Powered entirely by the sun, they soak up energy by day and glow for up to 12 hours at night. Rain or snow? No problem. The waterproof design keeps them shining through any weather. Easy to stake into the ground, they instantly add charm to any patio or garden. Shoveling snow in freezing weather? Not anymore. This autonomous snowblower clears your driveway and sidewalks all on its own. With a wide 24-inch path and the power to toss snow up to 40 feet, it handles big jobs while you stay warm inside. The smart mapping system remembers zones and avoids no-go areas, so it works with precision. Best part? It recharges itself and gets right back to work. Think of this as a little rolling buddy that keeps an eye on your home. The camera streams in crisp 2.5K resolution even at night, so nothing escapes its view. You can talk through it, listen back, and even calm a barking pup with a pre-recorded message in your own voice. It zips smoothly around corners on wheels, reaching spots a fixed camera can't. Plus, it doubles as storage for pet snacks. Big mixers and blenders don't have to hog your counter. This clever lift hides heavy appliances inside your cabinet, then springs them up to counter height when you need them. A self-locking system keeps everything steady while you work. When you're done, just unlock and the shelf glides smoothly back down. Built from solid steel, it handles up to 45 pounds without breaking a sweat. Summer relaxation just got bigger and better. This oversized inflatable bed is soft, sturdy, and strong enough to hold up to 3 adults at once. Use it any way you like: tanning lounger, pool float, beach recliner, or even a giant backyard chill spot. A removable backrest and built-in cup holders keep you comfy while you soak up the sun. And when the party starts, hook up the water spray at the tail for a 60-inch fountain of fun that takes your pool day to the next level. Who says a coffee table has to just hold drinks? This smart centerpiece charges your devices, plays your music, and even lights up the room. The built-in Bluetooth speakers deliver surround sound, while the wireless charging pad and USB ports keep your gadgets powered without messy cords. A sleek LED panel lets you pick from millions of colors or sync lights to the beat. Plus, hidden storage keeps clutter out of sight. Tired of tripping over skis and boards in the garage? This wall rack keeps your winter gear off the floor and neatly displayed. The soft rubber grips hold everything snug without scratches, while the automatic lock keeps heavy gear from slipping out. You can mount skis, snowboards, even skateboards or sleds, all in one spot. It saves space, looks organized, and makes grab-and-go days on the slopes way easier. Cooking feels way less stressful when your sink doubles as a workstation. This oversized stainless steel bowl comes with built-in ledges that let you slide accessories across like a pro chef. Chop veggies on the cutting board, rinse them in the colander, then set them on the drying rack, all without moving an inch. The sloped base keeps water and crumbs rushing to the drain. 2 faucets can even fit, so teamwork in the kitchen finally works. Pull cords are out, smart shades are in. These motorized blinds glide up and down with a remote or a quick voice command, giving you instant privacy and light control. The blackout fabric blocks glare, heat, and UV rays, while also dampening outside noise. A built-in rechargeable motor keeps them running for months on a single charge. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or anywhere you want comfort at the push of a button.